Hey folks, how's it going? Welcome to this video review. Let's talk about something serious today, hearing loss. It's a big deal, especially if it hits you when you're young. That's why I'm here to talk about Zencortex, a liquid supplement that is making waves, not just for sharpening your mind, but improving your hearing. First things first, if you're thinking of trying Zencortex, make sure you grab it from their official webpage. I've dropped the link in the description below. Some folks didn't get the results they hoped for because they bought it from somewhere else. So stick to the official source, okay? Now, let's dive into Zencortex. It's a liquid supplement, which means it's easy to take. Just fill up a little dropper and pop it in your mouth, or add a few drops to your morning coffee or tea. But here's the deal. You have to take it seriously. This stuff is made from over 20 carefully selected ingredients from all over the world. Think grapeseed, green tea, Panax ginseng, and more. What's cool is that all of these ingredients are geared towards supporting your hearing. They protect your ears, improve blood flow, and tackle inflammation that might be messing with your hearing. Slowly but surely, Zencortex can help restore your hearing. But wait, there's more. Zencortex isn't just about your ears. It's got stuff like Panax ginseng, known for boosting cognition, enhancing memory, and sharpening focus. Plus, maca root can give you an energy boost, which is great if you're feeling tired and stressed about your hearing issues. And here's the best part. It's safe and has no side effects. It's made from plant ingredients, no stimulants, and it's not habit forming. Just stick to the recommended 3 to 6 month treatment plan and you're good to go. Oh, and did I mention they've got some sweet deals and bonuses on their official website, plus a 60-day money-back guarantee. So if you're not satisfied, you can get your money back. No questions asked. So if you're ready to give Zencortex a try, head over to their official website to learn more. Thanks for tuning in, folks. Bye for now.